Click on Other Downloads. Download the Windows binary for 64-bit if you have 64-bit version of Windows. Open the downloaded zip file, copy, and extract it to the location where you want to run from. Delete the previous version if you have. Rename to Node. And open the run. Type in System Properties Advanced, open Environment Variables, edit path, copy the location of nodejs, and paste it into the environment variable editor. Now click OK and open the terminal. Type in node-v, npm-v, you should get all the versions. As you can see, we don't have pnpm. Type in core pack, enable, and try again with pnpm-v. Now you get the version.